Hey, you two, welcome back and happy Friday. Today I'm gonna unbox this one. This one is from Best Buy. I picked this one up because I saw the ad for Total Wireless. I guess they use a Verizon system. It is on CDMA format. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So as you can see, it is Total Wireless and then 4G LTE. No contract, $35 30-day plan, unlimited talk and text, plus 5 gigabyte of data, 4G LTE speed, shared data family plans available, detail inside. As you can see, Verizon, they have a pretty good coverage. And this one is a Samsung Galaxy J3 Luna Pro. Screen size is 5-inch. And there are different plans on here right now that you can see, or you could visit on their website. So there's also a $25 for talk and text, but you don't get any data. The $35 come with the data. Or they have a share data family plans. And you could also add on data for $10 additional carryover 5 gigabyte speed for the 4G LTE. This one is 4G LTE on the Android 6.0 Marshmallow 5-inch HD display. Battery talk times 25 hours. Standby times up to 20 days. Wi-Fi capable. Internal memory is 16 gigabyte. Bluetooth 4.2 wireless technology. You can get apps, games, music, and more on Google Play. Support micro SD memory card up to 256 gigabyte, which is not included. You gotta buy separately. Rear is a 5 megapixel camera on the back, 2 megapixel on the front-facing camera. GPS capabilities. 1.4 gigahertz of a quad-core processor, proximity sensor, and then also have a hearing aid compatible, and then rating is M4. What is that? T4. M4 T4. The reason I like this Samsung, because I like how Samsung they offer the ultra battery saving mode. So in case your battery goes drop low and then you need to save it for emergency usage, you could turn that on, and that give you like a longer period time of standby time or usage time. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oh, it sealed pretty good, pretty good. Let's go ahead and check it out. See. So it is in a clamshell package. Wow. looking pretty good. Got this screen protector on right now. This one is 126.4 millimeter HD, and it's TFT. And you got your SIM card and your micro SD on the top. I want to know, is this a micro? This should be the nano SIM. See what else in the package. You got the battery door. And you got this battery. I like the removable battery because, cell phone does not last. I mean, the battery does not last forever. And I like it when you can swap them out pretty easily. They also come with this original Samsung USB adapter or data cable. And this is AC to USB adapter. Let me check if this is fast charging. Okay, this one is 1.5 amp, which is it's okay. You don't want to get the 2.0 one because if it's fast charging, it tends to mess up the battery. Because I know, because I have a Note 4, and when I turn that fast charging, it charges the battery faster, but it also ruins the battery or degrading the battery faster. So that's why I don't like fast charging, because the technology is not there yet. So you got this terms and condition of a service from Total Wireless. And it also comes with this service guide. And then my account, refill. You need this number for activation, so leave it. What is that? So I wonder if this uses a SIM card, and then what happens if you unlock the phone? Does it support GSM? I wonder. So this one is 2600 milliamp, which is pretty good. Lithium ion battery. Let's go ahead and then pop this in. So take this sticker out, put it somewhere. What? Service of TrackPhone Wireless Inc. So I want you to set up your language. Okay. So it has a 40% juice right now. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this Total Wireless Samsung Galaxy J3 Luna Pro. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet. Original price for this one was $149.99. And I saw this at Costco. I mean, not Costco. Best Buy for $79.99. And then it was on sale for $49.99. So I thought it was pretty good price. So I went out there and grabbed it. So if you go to Total Wireless and then on their website, it shows $149.99, but slash it becomes $79.99. So I got lucky and grabbed this at the Best Buy. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll do some review later on if I have time. Anyway, please drop any other comments on below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.